the seat now. So, doing a little test review of how this throttle body spacer is feeling. So far, so far the best way to say is it feels extremely strong. The torque feels really like solid, feels heavy, it feels solid on the pedal. It just feels strong the entire way through the power delivery. It doesn't feel like the airflow or, you know, just, you can definitely feel the improvement in the airflow. It just feels really strong. It doesn't feel weak by any means. It doesn't feel like it's struggling like it did before. That's the best way I can really explain the sensation right now. I was definitely getting some funny feelings when I had it on the 93 tune, but I think that's because I'm very low on fuel and I probably was running very, very lean, and I was getting some funny sounds. Switched back to 91 and now car's running super strong again, no issues. Really liking it. I'm really enjoying the responsiveness from the car, just the heavy torque that it's putting out. Like, I'm literally having to grab my steering wheel and just hold on because it just really punches you. Now it's really violent once the boost and the torque builds up and everything. I would definitely say this is way worth more getting than the turbo muffler delete. The pricing alone, I believe I got this for $50-$60. This muffler delete is about $120, and all the muffler delete was really honestly make the boost feel more consistent. But aside from that, there was no real power gain compared to like this throttle spacer. This spacer is definitely making the car way, at least better as far as a mod to install that you're gonna notice a difference. You know, I can't wait to see how it runs on the higher tunes. But man, this is definitely making me enjoy running 91, whereas before I hated running 91. I hated it so much because there's just no torque sensation, and it's just, yeah, there wasn't aggressive like 93, and now I can feel like I can run 91 with no issues. But yeah, I definitely say this is well worth it for the price. I mean, everyone's gonna say it's bullshit, whatever. I don't think so. I think it's so here at the gas station, trying to see what fuel prices are currently. Oh, I always forget. Fucking electronic gas cover. Alright, holy shit. $2.18 for some 91 juice. Yes, sir. That is insane right there. Almost filled up my gas tank on 20 bucks. Definitely gonna be a while before we start seeing stuff like that.